It's a rent-ready scope for 7828 Bell Tower Lane. Walking in the front door. See some sheetrock repair marks. This is downstairs. It's pretty much every wall downstairs has marks on it where they've tried to repair the drywall. That being said, I'm going to recommend all walls downstairs be painted. Not trim, just walls. See some more of it. It's basically every wall down here. No electricity, so it's hard to see, but these side walls going up the steps right here need to be painted. They're scuffed and dirty. There's a couple walls in this up foyer that need to be painted. This bedroom looks great. We just leave it alone. This is the up hall bath. Repair that drywall. Right next to the towel holder, paint that wall. Another scuff behind this wall. We come in here and paint that wall where drywall has been repaired. Repair this door and paint it. Repair this closet. Shelf support right here. Moving into another secondary bedroom. We would just leave this one alone. Paint looks good. Recommend steam cleaning the carpet. Moving into the master bedroom, they've pretty much come in here and done the drywall repairs on all the walls in this room also. We'll basically paint all 4 walls in this room. Moving into the master bath. We'll paint just a couple walls in here. That being one. Being number 2 right here. You got a sink pop up. It's missing. You got some wet area that needs to be caulked. This sink pop up needs to be adjusted, probably replaced. Pretty much it on the paint on this one.